So, hey y'all, I have a quick question. I'm always so very undecisive. If you guys can tell from my videos, I'm always like, I don't know what color I'm gonna use, what design I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go with the flow. Okay, so tomorrow or either one day this weekend, I want to redo the shelf. I have a ton of polish on here, and these were kind of the ones that I used a lot, but I really don't use them a lot, if that makes any sense. um but I wanted to be a little bit more organized, so y'all help me out. Should I focus on like one brand, like maybe two brands, since I have enough space? I'm wondering if I should put or like all my good name brands, like my Esse's, OPI's, China Glaze, stuff like that. Should I put only maybe that on the shelf? Should I maybe put like indie polish on the shelf and Sinful Colors, or all Sinful Colors, which are these? I don't know if I have any indie polish up here right now. I probably do, but not many. Let's see. Here's one. But I have maybe enough indie polish to fill half a shelf. I'm thinking. I'm not too sure how many I have. I have to go through the boxes. But I was kind of thinking I should do like all my China Glazes, Esse's, and stuff like that. Or I do have a lot of LA Colors and Wet n Wilds, but I don't use them that much. I would say I use more of the other brands I've named, like the Simple Colors and OPIs, China Glaze, things like that. I'm wondering if I should put all of that here. I just don't know what to do or how to organize this. So I just don't know what to do. So guys, help me out. Leave in the comments, what do you suggest? Or I mean, I can keep it this way and maybe just kind of take everything down and reorganize it. Just, get all of my Simple Colors on one shelf, because I have some here. I've got, some Wet n Wild here and some up here. It's kind of all scattered. I can just organize what I have and keep it, or put away what I know I'm not going to use, because I do have some polish up here I'm probably not going to use like right away. It'll be a while. I was thinking of maybe even clearing off these boxes here, and maybe making more room for, this shelf, and putting polish on this shelf. So I don't know. I'm so undecided. I have like this random stuff all on the top of here, but this stuff I do use. This is like my hair gel, stuff like that. It shouldn't go there, but this is just mostly my acrylic nail products that I keep up here. And then just like my monomer, some nail polish, just some random stuff. My makeup, I keep that here. I think my acrylic products are good here on the top. Maybe, or I might can switch the polish. I don't know. You guys, just let me know in the comments what you guys think I should go ahead and do. I'd appreciate it, because I cannot decide. And my husband, he's not helpful. So, I mean, like I have the new polishes I bought, like I could put those up there. I mean, I was thinking even maybe if I take like all this stuff off, like all my glitters, and put my glitters on the shelf, and I have a lot of clears, I could put those on the shelf. And then on this one, I could put like, whenever I get new polish, I could just put all new polishes on here. Right now I have the gels on top that I use. Yeah, any suggestions, please let me know. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button, because a lot of you guys that watch my channel is not subscribed. So I would love for you guys to subscribe. I'm really working on trying to gain more subscribers to my channel and get my channel going. I'm almost to 1K. I think I'm at 973 right now. So it would be really great. You guys, subscribe is free. I don't know why people don't click the subscribe button. Like, I subscribe if someone asks me to support and it's a channel that I don't mind supporting. I subscribe. You know, it's not a problem. It's free. Just click it. You know, you'll get to see what's going on my channel, you know. So yeah, please make sure y'all subscribe. Turn on your notification bell. Give the videos a thumbs up, comment, all that good stuff helps, and I love it all. Love when you guys comment. I love when you guys give my video a thumbs up, and I love new subscribers. It just makes me so happy. You know what? I'm gonna put a clip in here. I just got some App LuvNailsNicole stickers for my car, so I'm trying so hard to get my channel going, y'all. So help a sister out, okay? Help me out. And then if you guys are on any of these other social media sites, give me a follow. TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, I post sometime. Definitely TikTok. I post a lot more than you guys see on my YouTube channel. You'll see more there. All of them at LuvNailsNicole. And yeah, make sure you guys comment with your ideas that you think I should do on my polish shelf. I would appreciate it. Thank y'all so much. Bye, y'all.